Please subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon button, like, comment, share. Despite being a simple tool, it can prove useful for just about any situation that presents itself during emergencies or survival circumstances. If you are in the market for a good tactical or survival shovel, we got you covered. We've put together a list of the top 10 best tactical survival shovels on the market today. So without further ado, this is our list of the best tactical and survival shovels available right now. Shovels are indispensable in survival situations, but there's no way you can pack a full-size shovel on the trail, in your bug-out bag, or in your car. You need something compact enough to carry everywhere you go, dependable enough to thrive in harsh environments, and versatile enough to keep you alive in a variety of survival scenarios. In short, you need to find yourself a military-grade survival shovel. Nothing beats the reassurance of owning a quality survival or tactical shovel.
The shovel is a lightweight, packable, ultra-capable 18-in-1 hardworking tool that's the perfect companion for any adventure. The EST shovel comes with a compact carrying pouch that fits easily into any backpack. It is also easy to assemble, and its military-grade aluminum handle ensures that it won't weigh you down. We've added a durable foam-like grip that makes it fun and easy to work with. The shovel has a hardened high-carbon steel spade, so it is built to last, no matter how you use it. But it wasn't just built for adventure, because it comes with many practical and important life-saving tools. Keep it in your car or truck so that if disaster strikes, you're always ready to go. The shovel is adventure tested, from traditional camping to hiking to survival readiness. We know what it takes to make an adventure great, and tools are a big part of that. Which is why we included all of the essentials, such as a shovel, knife, axe, compass, saw, fire starter, screwdriver, whistle, and more. We call it the world's most capable tool because the EST shovel is built to do it all and help you to have fun while doing it. We've been making high-quality camping gear for years, but this is our first product that we're selling directly to consumers. We have everything ready to start mass production and will be able to ship by June, but we need to meet the volume and manufacturing requirements, which is why, if you back our campaign, you'll save 50% off the shovel for helping us to bring this project to life. We chose Indiegogo because we want to create a community of like-minded adventurers who love great tools.
To Cutlass multifunctional shovel is made under 20 procedures, which shovel face adopts a precise foundry technology. It is suitable for military, field survival, and rescue. The shovel face with magnetic steel is bigger than others. The blade is quenched at 1,300 degrees. It can easily cut wear without a scratch. The independently developed 6-position shifter keys can make the shovel toward your expected angle in one step. There are several aluminum rods embedded polymer anti-slip rubber sleeve, and the length of the rods is about 62 centimeters. That can be a defensive stick. Multifunctional knife. Bottle opener is very helpful for outdoor survival, such as cut of ropes or open battles. With a fire stick, it is easy to make fire in the wild.
SCH SH1 telescoping folding shovel. A versatile EDC shovel designed to support both outdoor and tactical communities, the SCH SH1 both folds for easy storage and telescopes to its full length of over 19 inches. With a concave shovel blade forged from rugged 1055 carbon steel with beveled, sharpened edges, the covert black tool serves as both an outdoor multi-tool as well as an instrument of self-defense. To deploy the shovel, rotate the locking collar counterclockwise, then swivel the blade to the fully open position. Lock the blade into place by turning the locking collar clockwise until the locking washer snugs. Use caution at all times as the shovel blade's edges are sharp. The handle's aluminum inner tube expands to any one of 5 positions. Use your thumbs to disengage the handle lock. Slide the molded polypropylene all-weather T-handle to the desired length and lock into position by pressing down on the Schrade logo of the handle lock. Use the SCH SH1 telescoping folding shovel to dig holes, shovel snow, and light chopping. The steel striking surface can be used to pound tent stakes. Loosen the locking collar and reposition the shovel blade at a 90-degree angle for digging furrows or scraping tree bark. To sheath, fully collapse both the handle and blade. Then slide the tool into its black nylon belt sheath where twin snaps secure the blade. Double loops on the back side of the sheath let you carry the SCH SH1 either on your belt or attached to gear.
The Smilodon's multifunctional shovel is made under 20 procedures, with shovel face develops precise foundry technology. It is suitable for military, field survival, and rescue. A special design that aligns of unitary mount patterns and appearance patterns. Because of foundry technology, the stiffening rib is stronger, which can strengthen the whole shovel face. The blade is crunched at 1,300 degrees. It can easily cut wire without scratch. Bowie knife, even for the thick trunks. They independently developed 6 position shifted keys and make the shovel toward your expected angle in one step. Multifunctional knife. Multi opener is very helpful for outdoor survival, such as cut out ropes or open battles. With a fire stick, it is easy to make fire. Casting Warp Thorn is kind of multifunctional carry-on shovels made of more than 50 processes and 100% molding and casting, suitable for fishing, outdoor camping, wild survival and rescue, etc. The casting process, high temperature quenching treatment with high toughness, high wear resistance, corrosion resistance, and so on. Unique 6-position shift keys can make the shovel toward your expected angle in one step. Aviation-grade aluminum handle with a stacked diamond-shaped nerved design that is comfortable and non-slip. Its multi-function digging, shovel, and couching can make you more than enough in various environments. You'll need a gear to go outdoor.
Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.